Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today it is a device for my lovely Nintendo Switch. Oh yeah, that's really awesome, and it's for all Pokemon fans out there. It is an Antank charging stand for Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. It comes with a Type-C port. It is a charge dock station, but it's not a projector or it's not a projection device. You cannot use that docking station to bring your Switch onto another flat screen. It's not a docking station. It is a charging dock, okay? It's a mini, compact, portable charging dock for our Nintendo Switch or Switch Lite. Or as well, if you have a Type-C smartphone, you can dock it there too, no problem. But maybe it will not match because of the dimensions here. Okay, there you have to look that your smartphone is matching there. It comes in a white and red color, and it looks like a Pokemon ball. Oh, a nice Pokeball. Yeah. Cute spherical charger stand, classic red, white and black color combination. A minimalist charging dock that allows charging while playing with our Switch in tabletop mode and takes up little space. It's not only a charging stand, but also a game style decoration. If you're a Pokemon fan out there, yeah, you can see, with that device, that your Pokeball is on the desktop, for example. And it comes with a nice structure, 45 degrees comfortable elevation angle, brings us a better visual experience. Let the Switch or the Switch Lite stand to charge. Small, compact, and portable charging base. Easy for travel and vacation. The non-slip rubber ring at the bottom side makes the console standing more stable. Soft silicone pads on the ventral surface, there are for protection our game console from scratching. It will look much neater than just having the Switch laying out on a desk. And it's only used as a charging stand and can't connect to television. Designed with overcurrent and overvoltage protection to protect the console. Of course, you should use the original charger or high quality PD charger too, because if you're not using the right USB-C cable or power supply, maybe there comes some problems. But this is every device problems out there. Okay, for thick cases, it may not fit the base. So then you have to remove the protection case of the game console when using this charging dock. It's designed especially for Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. You have to look, maybe your smartphone can connect, but this is not the main fact which this charging stand comes with. Safe portable charging station for the Switch, no projection. It's stable, it's compact, and it's mini. We have a rounded arc design and a silicone backrest, a Type-C output port, and it comes with ABS materials. Antank charging dock, classic red, white, and black color theme. It looks like a Pokemon ball. Yeah, minimalism and kawaii design. Suitable for the Switch and Switch Lite. It can hold our console up while charging. And of course, while we are looking some videos or have some game fun on it. It does not support Connect Switch to the television, and its lovely appearance, game style suitable for Pokemon fanatics. When our Switch needs to be charged and we want to hold it with both hands all the time, then this thing is the right choice. When our charging cable is not long enough, but we want to play games in bed, we may have imagined this solution. When playing a two-player mode, we will always need to stand to make our Switch standing on the desk. It is a small but stable. I have to say it's really portable. It can be as a cute little gift for all kind of Nintendo games fans out there. The model is GEFN 333. Input is Type C. That means you will need a Type C cable and a Type C AC connector. This is maybe your smartphone, loading base, etc. And then input possible is 5 volt 1.5 ampere up to 15 volt 1.2 ampere. Output is Type C. Input is Type C2. That means you will need a female, or you have here, you will need a female connector on your Switch, but this is built in. It's a Switch connector. Then you will need a male Type C cable and an AC adapter, like a smartphone power supply, or another thing like a USB to Type C cable, which will powered by using your computer. This is possible too. The output is 5 volt 1.5 ampere and 15 volt 1.2 ampere. The size is 2.04 inches to 2.04 inches to 1.57 inches. The weight is 0.09 pound. It's really awesome, and it's so nice, and it looks really nice. This is the Antank charging stand for our Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch Lite console. And maybe for your smartphone too, if it matches. But the main focus is on the Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. It's a charging dock station, mini compact portable, and it comes with white and red like an Pokeball design by Antank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.